creation in Kenya.
Daro chenro duto mowinjore odhi e lwet kaontis igeno chope giko mare giko mar dwe mar ariyo higani kaluwo chike ma pachoka. Komiti mag Intergovernmental Relations Technical momiti mar neno ni chenrono otim e yo makare okwayo piny owacho mamalo kod mago mag kaontis mondo oti kanyakla e kelo yot ne chenroni. Jakom mar chenrono ero Githinji Kiragu owacho ni chenro 6 mosebedo ka kelo ywaruok e kind piny owacho ariyogo nyaka sani oselosi kendo gichiegni keto winjruok makare e thuondi mamoko 12.
In the first stage of unbundling, delineating, and identifying which functions are to be done by which level of government, as guided by the Constitution. We are also looking at in what ways policies and laws which exist now are either consistent or inconsistent with the constitutional allocation of functions between the national and county government.
When we mention about functions, we've been having disputes registered to IJRTC by the 2 levels of government. And in the spirit of looking at these reports and identifying the functions that belong to each level of the government, we will be able to iron out all those conflicts that have been registered with IJRTC. By the end of this exercise, the Gazette notice that will be developed again will clarify on the elements of that function. And about 6 of functions will be resolved through this exercise.